Hello and thank you for checking out this course. My name is Peter Moxon and I'm the instructor for this course. Let me tell you what it's all about. SAP provides some free trial software for anybody to download and install on their own machine to try out SAP systems. Well, it can be very difficult at times to actually get these systems to work. So this course will take you step by step and show you exactly what you need to do to get the system up and running on your own machine. We're going to install Oracle VirtualBox, then we'll install the Windows 7 Professional operating system, then we will install software needed for the SAP trial system software. This is things like the Java virtual machine and so on. We'll configure your system so it works optimally with an SAP installation, and then we'll go through the full step-by-step SAP installation walkthrough. It takes you from the very start all the way to the finish to install the SAP system. We'll then set up the SAP GUI, show you how to connect it to the SAP system, and once we log in, we will request and register your free SAP trial license. Once that's done, we can then register a developer key so you can use the standard users supplied by SAP to go and develop programs if you wish. Now, best of all, this course is completely free, so there's no excuse not to sign up. And if you have any questions once you've signed up, if there's anything you don't understand, please just leave a comment and ask a question in the Q&A sections within the course itself. So sign up for the course now and I'll see you inside.